Alright guys, Blizzard of 2013 here in my garage with my SS18 and my 18.6. Haven't opened the garage door yet, but I know there's probably at least 14, maybe 18 or 20 inches of snow. It's been drifting, so it's hard to get a good estimate, but figured I'd show you guys what I did to my tractors last night. You can see on the left fender here, I got this funny looking contraption up there. It's actually two LED strobe lights. I have them hooked to my headlights, so when you turn on the headlights, you can get this. I got white ones on my snowblower tractor and I got yellow ones on my plowing tractor. Only because when I hooked them up I didn't realize that the control units were different on the two of them, so I tried putting one yellow and one white and that didn't work, so I had to rewire it to just have white lights on it. So I've been charging my battery on the 18.6. I charged it all up last night, and the SS18's been charging up this morning for a while. It's not quite fully charged yet, but hopefully I won't need that machine for a while. So I am going to open my garage door, let you guys get a gander at what it looks like from my world out here right now. Because I know people are going to be asking for videos from this snowstorm. My garage door doesn't like to open when it's real cold either, so. Oh crap. Well, you want to test the Haven snowblower, this is how to do it. Let's see exactly how deep that drift is. Trusty old tape measure here. Top of the drift. 29 inches to the top of the drift. Right there in front of my door. So most of my yard pretty much looks the same. It's a little bit lower in the driveway in front of the cars, but the snowbank by my mailbox, I don't know if you can see it, but that's definitely 3.5 feet at least. So I'm going to see what my tractors can do. Of course, I fogged up my goggles already. Maybe I don't need them yet, but I'm going to take them off now. Can't have foggy goggles. Where did I put my gloves? I don't know how long the video will last because I know my memory card was pretty full, but let's see. Hopefully my tractor will start right up today. It should. Well, should be in the operative term there. Battery was fully charged last night. And that battery's only a year old too, so kind of disappointing. Actually very disappointing, considering I charged it for about 3 hours, but changed my oil and put 530 in it last night too, which should help. Well, I guess I gotta wait a few minutes, so I'm gonna shut the camera off so I'm not wasting film.